Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about strategies for effective Amazon Live videos. Let's get into it. Amazon Live Video is a powerful but underutilized tool that allows sellers to increase product visibility, drive conversions, and improve keyword rankings. It's available to sellers with brand registry and those in the Amazon Influencer Program. This tool offers a live streaming format similar to QVC or Home Shopping Network, but tailored to Amazon's high-intent shopper base. Unlike traditional video marketing, Amazon Live focuses on immediate conversions. Viewers on these streams typically have a purchase mindset and are ready to buy in real time. This makes the platform especially effective for product launches and high-impact promotions. Sellers can enhance their results on Amazon Live by combining content with limited-time offers. One proven strategy is to display a promo code directly on the screen along with a countdown timer. Instead of pasting the code into the chat, which can lead viewers away from the stream, placing it visually on screen encourages users to open a new tab and search for the product manually. This keeps viewers engaged while driving organic traffic to the listing. This technique is known as a verbal search find buy. The seller verbally guides viewers to search for specific keywords while offering a code that's easy to remember. The viewer then searches the keyword, locates the product, and applies the code, simulating a natural search behavior that Amazon favors. Live interactions during the stream, such as viewers confirming that the discount code worked, also create valuable social proof. This encourages others to follow through and purchase, building a real-time feedback loop that enhances urgency and trust. Maintaining viewer engagement is crucial. If too many viewers click away to use the code, the stream's visibility can drop. Amazon's algorithm appears to reward streams with consistent activity and viewer retention by promoting them to wider audiences. Streams that perform well are elevated through Amazon's tier system. Initially, streams are visible on the Amazon Live tab. With consistent quality and adherence to guidelines, they can eventually be featured on the Amazon Live homepage or even the main Amazon homepage, leading to significantly higher traffic. To maximize the impact of Amazon Live, sellers should combine this platform with a broader marketing strategy. Use it for product education, feature announcements, limited time discounts, and interactive demonstrations. High-performing streams often include overlays, timers, and strong calls to action, all designed to keep viewers engaged and converting. For product launches, Amazon Live can be particularly effective. Verbal cues and visually displayed codes help support keyword relevance and drive organic sales momentum. When repeated with consistency and scaled across multiple keywords, this method becomes a powerful ranking tool. The platform also provides real-time feedback. Sellers can see how customers respond to offers, what questions they ask, and how different product features perform, offering insights that can inform future listings, PPC strategies, and promotions. In conclusion, Amazon Live Video is not just a brand-building tool. It's a tactical sales channel that can drive visibility, conversions, and ranking when used effectively. Sellers who invest time into learning and applying this strategy can gain a significant competitive edge on the platform. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.